Today, I'll show you how to remove shadows from photos on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, if you've taken a photo and it has a shadow on it and you would like to get rid of that shadow, then you can do just that. So simply find the photo that has a shadow that you want to remove and tap on it. And now on that photo, all you have to do is tap on Edit at the bottom there and tap on AI Studio. So under AI Studio, scroll through these options and select AI Shadow Remover. And if the photo has no discernible shadow, it's not going to work. So find a photo that actually does have a shadow. So I'll simply go back, find a photo like this one, tap on Edit, select AI Studio, and then choose AI Shadow Remover once again. Now, if it has a shadow, it's going to detect the shadow and it's going to remove the shadow. And once it's done, you're going to have your new image. Now, when you tap on this icon, you should be able to see the original image versus the one that has just been reconstructed. So tap on that to see the shadow and release that to see the new image. To save your photo, simply tap on this check mark to save it. Then tap on the check mark once again. And then this icon is going to appear at the top here, which you can tap and then select overwrite the original file or save it as a new file. So I'll select save as a new file, but that's basically how to remove shadows from photos on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.